Kailangan na ata umatras ni Sir Jeb dito sa beyond the arc natin. Dahil kita naman natin, bersado ang kanyang tira. Give it now here. Relieve. All the way. Good for 2 points para kay number 23, Relieve.
Another player of Bicol University, Pulangi. Itong si Relieve. So, marami tayong player dito coming from Bicol University, Pulangi.
Yes, naglalabasan ng mga alumnus ni Coach E.
I will store. Pass to Miliana. Crossing into the midcourt. Miliana, pass to Relieve. Relieve attacks the defense of Rimpilio. That will be a 2 points for number 23, Relieve.
They are also keeping their selves healthy with that exercise being given to them. They are taking while playing basketball. And syempre, special shout out sa
to play the rest of the game. And syempre, likewise kay Cedric Sadia of the Railroad B, medyo napasama ang kanyang isang attack to the basket at nagkaroon na ata siya ng mild injury sa kanyang left ankle.
Coming para sa mga youth, mga 17 under.
Isa to sa mga iniidolo natin in terms of conditioning. Isa rin to sa si Coach Chop na naging big part na itong team PNP. Mawawala sana yung bola. Here comes the Rosario to Relieve. Relieve, reverse layup for 2. Si Del Rosario, Aras by Silencio, pass to Relieve. Relieve aims for 3. No good. Put back. Insisa sa ilalim. Nice pass. 2 points yan. 8 na lang ang hinahabol with